Unlocking the health benefits of cardiovascular exercise. Cardio, short for cardiovascular exercise, refers to any physical activity that raises the heart rate and increases blood flow throughout the body. It's often called aerobic exercise, as it utilizes oxygen to produce energy for the muscles. Cardio can take many forms, including running, walking, cycling, swimming, dancing, and more. The intensity of cardio can vary from low-intensity activities like walking to high-intensity activities like sprinting or HIIT, high-intensity interval training. Cardio has numerous benefits for overall health and fitness. Regular cardio exercise can help improve heart and lung function, increase endurance and stamina. Reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease, and promote weight loss by burning calories. When incorporating cardio into your fitness routine, it's essential to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. It's also important to choose activities that you enjoy and that fit your fitness level and goals. Overall, cardio is an excellent way to improve your health, fitness, and overall well-being. Here's a general piece of advice for physical fitness. Consistency is key. When it comes to physical fitness, it's important to make exercise a regular part of your routine. Even if you can only exercise for a short amount of time each day, staying consistent with your workouts will help you see progress over time. Additionally, it's important to listen to your body and avoid pushing yourself too hard, especially if you're just starting out. Gradually increase the intensity of your workouts as your fitness level improves. Remember to also prioritize rest and recovery, as they are crucial for preventing injuries and allowing your body to properly repair itself.